Hey, it's Atif once again, one of the SEO executives at Parliament. Today we are gonna study how to find out the issues that are currently happening in terms of technical SEO on our websites, like the broken links and the images relevant issues, or some broken pages, or pagination URLs and the redirection like stuff. This type of issues are happening on our websites, then it's affecting our SEO and of course our rankings. So that's where we need to fix this type of issues. And for that, what we can do in terms of easy and fast fixes of technical SEO is we can do its technical audit. There are multiple tools and crawlers that help us find out the technical issues that are happening on our websites, and then we can fix out those issues by getting help from those tools from there. One of the tool that I mostly use is Screaming Frog. We can download Screaming Frog SEO Spider from anywhere on Google or maybe from its official website. And then what we have to do is simply copy the URL of our websites and paste it here. Then click the start button, and then it will start crawling our website, and it will load until the 100. And once it's done, it will start showing us the issues that are happening on our websites over here. And uh, and once it's crawled and your all websites have been checked, then it will start showing you the stats over here. From this section we can go to the issues that are currently happening on all of our website. Then what we can do is we can just click on specific issues, and then we can find out where these issues are happening, and then from where these issues are linked from this section in links. And this is the method by which we can solve the issues easily. And you can go on them for each URL and can fix the issues like page titles over 60 characters. We can have the pages list over here, and then we will be updating these. So this is how we can fix all of the issues that's currently happening. For example, the no index issues and no follow links, and then metas issues like titles and descriptions, and then images issues, and some broken internal links issues. So all of these type of issues will be shown here, and we can fix these one by one. And then of course it also helps to do some on page optimizations. We can extract our site maps, and we can go in visualization. For example, the tree graphs of our websites and for that stuff. And then we can also get our reports from here, like specific type of issues, and then we can export these in any type of format. So that's how we can get help from Screaming Frog SEO Spider to fix the technical issues that are currently happening on our website to save our crawl budget and further stuff.